knew I'd flush you out if I went after the lieutenant. Let's make my client very happy.
Sir, are you alright? Is your body armor holding up?
It's fine, at least from this far away.
Sir, there's a tunnel straight ahead.
Too bad. Now what will you do? Either he's the bravest man I've ever faced, or a complete fool. I must say, Batman, that's the first time anyone tried to stop my gunfire by running into it. No suit is bulletproof at close range. Let's make this click now. Well, don't tell me I finally got the bat.
Shooting your mouth off now, Deadshot.
Don't kill me! It was the Russians! They want you dead! I was just doing my job.